this video, I will guide you through how to create a brand new Facebook account on your computer step by step. First, I opened Google Chrome from my desktop. Then I selected the Google account on which I wanted to create the Facebook account. After that, the Google Chrome interface opened. Next, I clicked on the search bar, typed Facebook, and pressed enter. A search results page opened where I saw the Facebook login and sign up link. I clicked on that link. Now the Facebook login and sign up page opened. Existing users can enter their login details and sign in from here. Since I wanted to create a new Facebook account, I clicked on Create New Account. After that, a new page opened where I needed to enter my personal information correctly. First, I entered my first name and last name in the name fields. Then I entered my real date of birth. After that, I selected my gender. Next, I entered my email address in the input field. Then I created a password for my Facebook account. Make sure you choose a password that is strong but easy for you to remember. You can click on the eye icon to view the password while typing. After entering the password, I clicked on the submit button. Next, the confirmation page opened. There was an input field where I needed to enter the verification code sent by Facebook to my email address. So I opened my email account, copied the verification code from the Facebook email, returned to the page, and pasted the code into the input field. Then I clicked on continue. Within a few seconds, my Facebook account was successfully created and the Facebook interface opened. After that, I clicked on my profile. My Facebook profile opened successfully. Now I can add my personal details, profile picture, bio, and other information to make my Facebook profile look more professional. And that is how you can create a brand new Facebook account on your PC or laptop step by step. If this video helped you, do not forget to like the video, share it with others, and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials.